Alright, for everybody's wondering what I've been doing on my vacation for Thanksgiving. Can you tell how dirty I'm at what I've been doing? I've been doing house repair. So we've been laying concrete down here all week long. So this is what we do around here for vacation. These posts are all broken out over here. So we've been fixing them. And Mom's having problems getting it up off the porch, so we have the handrail in there. It's all concreted. We added from here out, all the way on down, you can see. This is all busted up for over years. So we took our bricks here and added them out here and made more of a step for her. Cleaned up her yard a little bit, her weeds. Redid all this. So she's over there playing with the concrete right now. So basically just redoing all this. This was busted out all the way up to here. This is all new here. So we got 8 bags over there, there's 12 bags right here, and I just did another 6.5 bags I think there, 7 bags? 7 bags I think, right there. So we're putting our foundation back in here for our porch, which holds up our porch up here. So, working away. Dug out all the big weeds that were in here. So she's over there playing right now.
I don't have weeds.
You have weeds everywhere.
They're flowers.
Yeah, look at all those weeds back there, all over weeds. Yeah, she's in charge of concrete finishing work.
Left of it.
So this one was all busted out, so I put all new that, doubled the area, and went down pretty deep. So that's a 12 by board, so that's 10 inches almost down there, 9 inches in the ground. So that'll do that pretty good. So these are all their junk cactuses that I can't touch. They're over here for now. They were on top of that board right there going across. There, are you happy now?
No.
No, you're not happy? Oh well, too
I
bad.
didn't have my dress down.
Too bad. We don't care.
I know, but I care.
Yeah, nobody cares on video.
I'm no beauty.
So the city said this was a junk pile in here. I don't know why they had that impression. So, well, I also made a handrail down there in my sister's house down there. Just gonna see it. That's that black pole going up. That was definitely a loud yelling match. But I just did it anyway, I don't care. Oh, here's some more weeds floating around. So this is my big mess out here I gotta do. I don't know, there's about 20 bags right here. Maybe I need some help for this. Let's see, the city redid my driveway down there because they took out the telephone pole and screwed up my driveway. So they replaced that whole driveway. So we scooped up the extra concrete and did this here, and we did some other work on there too. Filled some first holes in the porch. So this here needs to be kind of semi-broken out, but not too much because we want to keep the pole in here. So I need to go out further, encapsulate all the way around here. Probably stick a board right here against my step and fill it, and then fill all that in. Go all the way down to here. And maybe we'll do something about that too. Nah, we'll get too carried away. So anyway, that's the next big project. Yeah, Walker didn't come by to help either. So there you go. So that's what I do on my vacation. Yeah, who has vacations around here? So that's how I walk in every day. It's my path to work. Oh well, it's getting a little better. Now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with all these junk plants she's got. Maybe we'll throw a few along in here. Make up our little, take some of this block and make a little terrace with it and get them off my board. My beam got all eaten up down there from all the years and years of water, and rot got into it. Yeah, it's not too good for it anymore. But there you go. She's over there putting her edging on there. Look how straight these lines are. Yeah, she likes this lip on there. Oh well, she's having fun. That's all that matters, all right? All right, well, there you go. Update for Tatro's vacation.